and 1.8 meters stand. And here is our light bag. We have one foot controller and one remote and other accessories. Here is our light part. Now let me show you how to install the jig bamboo. The first step, let's install the stand. To open the tree pump, and don't forget to lock it. And next, choose the height stand you want. There are different holes, so different height. So we choose this height and lock it, and double locked to ensure the safety. Now the stand installation finished. Let's install the light part. Okay. And don't forget use the accessory to fix the light. Here, and lock it. And also the other side we need to lock it too. Now let's connect the wire. You can see this is the laser. So this laser wire we need to connect the laser too. And here's tips. There's a groove. You can see that. And so need to connect the groove. It's very convenient for you. Okay. So groove to groove. And lock it. And also the effect B. We need to connect the effect B. Here's groove 2. Here. We connect it here. So, and lock it too. And don't forget this is part B. We need to connect the part B. And this part A, we need to connect the part A. Also the effect A, connect the effect A. Now, the jig bamboo installation has finished. And warm tips. Do not unplug or plug in the wires of the light during power on, including derby, laser, and power lights. It's very important. Let me show you how to operate the jig bamboo. And you can see this light have derby, laser, strong, highlight, moving highlight. And here is MSC and DMAX in and out. And also we have a screen. And here's the laser lock. And this is foot controller input. And here is power in and power out. Here is a fuse. Here we connect the power cord. Connect it. Now you can see the screen is on. And don't forget to use this key. This is the laser key. Turn it on. Turn it on. And now we can use the remote to control the jig bamboo. You can see the remote. This is the on off. Then sound stop. And here is 5 shoe. Shoe 1, shoe 2, shoe 3, shoe 4, and shoe 5. And you can also change the speed. And also change the dimmer from 1 to 9. You can change the different color. Now we use the remote to control the jig bamboo, and don't forget to turn it on. And like you can choose the different shoe 1 or shoe 2, and also you can change the speed from slow to fast. Also change the dimmer, and also you can change the different color. 1 represent right, and 2 green, 3 blue. Is it very easy, right? Now let me show you how to use the foot controller to control the jig bamboo. And first step, we need to connect the foot controller, and also there is a groove. You can see that here is a groove, and also there is a groove too. We connect it and lock it. Here is auto run model, and this is the music. Also we can see sound control, and you can change the color, and blackout means the in and out. Now we can use the foot controller. Don't forget to choose the black out. It means turn it on. And auto run, you can choose different model, auto 1, auto 2, auto 3, and the music controller. And also the color, different color. And our moving headlight, it's manual focus. You can see, you can change the, and the global will be more clear. You can see that. after we connected the BMX controller, we can use different channel to choose a different effect. Now you can see there be a wizard or storm, or change to different color. Also, you can see the different channel